Hi guys, and welcome back to Tech Anorak. So this is my second flight with my replacement DJi Mini 2, and I was on my holidays at Centre Parcs in Sherwood Forest. So I crashed my first DJi Mini 2 into a tree. So there's some big trees here. It did get me a bit scared, but I got some good footage, I think, guys. So we should be taking off in a moment, and I'll shut up for most of the video and let you watch the footage. Hope you enjoy it. So just to explain this bit, I just wanted to make sure I could bring the drone down and land in between these trees, because there's a bit of a clearing, but like I say, I have a big phobia of trees now, so I was just making absolutely sure, and then we'll get back up in the big blue for you now. So thanks for watching, guys. We're coming into land now, and I hope you enjoyed the video. As I say, it was just a quick flight on my holidays, and I'm trying to get my mojo back of flying the drone after my incident with a tree. But yeah, as it says in a minute, if you could please like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It'd really help my channel out. But I'll see you on the next one. Take Anorak out. Take care.